Hello, third grade. Now for our iRead practices for today, we're going to do it a little different. So before you watch this video, make sure that you have answered them all but have not submitted. So answer them all but do not submit. If you need to pause the video now and do that now, you can do that. All right, now that you have answered them all, we are going to go through and check them together. So if you got one wrong, I want you to look very carefully at it because you will see these same things on iRead tomorrow and Wednesday. Let's go ahead and begin. Choose the word that means the same or about the same as the underlined word. What means the same as large? Big, small, happy, or tiny? Well, large and big are both gigantic things or larger things. Choose the word that means the opposite of the underlined word. Always look for those clue words, opposite. Look very carefully. The opposite of always. Sometimes, frequently, yesterday, or never. If I don't always do something, I never do it. Choose the word that correctly completes both sentences. Now for these, the best strategy is to plug in each word and then cross off the ones that don't make sense. So this is how I would answer these types of questions. The singer made a low sound to the audience. That could work maybe, I don't really know. We'll try it in the next one. Maria placed a red sound on the birthday gift. Nope, sound does not work. The singer made a low bow to the audience. Maria placed a red bow on the birthday gift. Ooh, this one sounds like it could be right, but I'm going to read the rest just in case. The singer made a low present to the audience. No, that doesn't make sense. The singer made a low party to the audience. No, that doesn't make sense. So bow needs to be our answer. Remember, some words can sound different when it has a different meaning. Bow and bow, spelled the same, sounds different. Number 4. Find the word that has the suffix and only the suffix, underlined suffix, you think of at the end, because sometimes there's an S at the end. Suffix is at the end. So I'm going to look at if the rest of the word is a root word. So fearful. Oh, actually, I'm going to use that strategy where we cross out the ones that I know it's not, because that is the beginning of the word. All right, so fear, full. I know full is a suffix. It means a lot of or full of. Also, it looks like endless. This one would also work because it has less ended. I think this one may not be let me read through it one more time to make sure I'm answering the right question. Find the word that has the suffix and only the suffix underlined. I think this was supposed to say not. So we'll choose one, but we'll see what the right answer will be because both of those would work. Fearful, actually biggest would work too, so any of these would work. Choose the word that best completes the sentence. At the beginning of the school, bus, school, teacher, school, year, school, shoes. At the beginning of the school year, students will need to buy new school desks? No. New blackboard? No. New supplies. So they are prepared for class. Check yours and then click next. Choose the word that means the same or about the same as the underlined word. Close quickly. What means the same? I'm looking for that keyword in there. The same. It's the same as close. Dress, shut, open, or far. Well, there are clothes with a TH, and that would be a dress, but that's not right. To close also means to shut quickly. Number 7. I'm going to use that same strategy of crossing them off if they don't make sense. I don't know if I will stay in the country or the city. Yeah, that makes sense. So I'll plug it into the next one. Last night I saw the band play Stay in the concert. Nope, that doesn't work. I don't know if I will music in the country. No, that doesn't make sense. I don't know if I will live in the country or the city. Last night I saw the band play live in concert. Well, that one looks like it's working. We'll try juice just in case. I don't know if I will juice. No, that doesn't make sense. The only one that works is live, and it changes the sound, live and live. So choose C. Number 8. Choose the word that means the opposite of the underlined word. Fancy. What's the opposite of someone that's fancy? Plain. Find the word that has the suffix and only the suffix underlined. Let's see if this one will give us a right answer. So if it's not at the end, it doesn't have the suffix underlined. So I'm going to cross out the ones that doesn't have the end underlined, and then I have 2 options here. This is matches and joyful. Which one is a root word, can stand alone? Well, mat is just part of match, so that one wouldn't work. So joyful has to be our answer. Click next. Choose the word that best completes each sentence. The solar system is a group of stars, spaceships, plants, or planets. The solar system is a group of planets that orbit the sun. The sun is a fiery ball and the only star in our solar system. Pets to the rescue. We're looking for a word that means the same as toxic. Some are soft, others are scaly. Some can be held in your hand, others prefer to lie in your lap. Pets come in all varieties of shapes, sizes, and species. All of the pets in this book, however, have one thing in common. They are all heroes. One night in Newcastle, Indiana, the Kiesling family was sound asleep. Suddenly, toxic fumes began to fill their home. Carbon monoxide was leaking into their house. The gas was dangerous and deadly. The gas made Michael and the family's 14-year-old sick. He passed out in his bedroom. Winnie, the family cat, could tell that something was wrong. She ran to her owner's bedroom and jumped on the bed. She pounced on Michael's mom, Kathy. She meowed in her ear and pulled her hair. Winnie would not stop. Finally, the cat woke Kathy up. The gas was making her sick too. A sick and tired Kathy called 911. Soon help arrived. The paramedics helped the family. The Kiesling family was saved. Winnie was a hero. This fantastic feline helped to save the lives of her owners. Winnie was named 2007 Cat of the Year by the ASCPA. She should probably also be named Winnie the Wonder Cat by her family. So which word means toxic? Deadly. So this is the same passage. How did Winnie save the family? Well, Winnie is a cat. She did not call 911. She pounced on Kathy. Go ahead and click submit, and then you can move on to the next activity for today.